Okay guys, welcome again in Bandit Level 8. Just click on level 8. Bandit Level 8 level goal. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt and is the only line of the text that occur only once. Basically in this level we need to use a sort command and uniq command. Sort is the command that first we need to do ssh level name bandit 8 host name bandit.labs.overthewire.org. We need to put our port number. Something gone wrong here. We do again. Okay, we got put the password here which we grab in previous level, copy from previous level, paste here. We log in, clear this mess with clear command. Read this directory. Here a file named data.txt. First we need cat the data.txt. Okay, here many lines which have many character, numeric or alphabet. Clear the mess. We need to use sort command here. Sort is a command that help to read the file in numeric way, in alphabetically, in arrange order, in alphabetically order. First we need to put data.txt, sort data.txt and the uniq command. Uniq command help us to read a file, read a line which occur once in a file. Basically it's remove repetitive line. This is the password for our next level. Copy, save this password for next time. Goodbye.